Alright guys, we got a donkey stomper, 1200, 12 pill. It's a 2x12 HG. This is a repair review. We'll start out looking straight through. SWR like we always do. Worldwide, 0. Turn it on, input SWR. Worldwide, almost 0. 5-volt reverse, verbal wide open. Worldwide, half watt coming back. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, 1000 in the corner. 2500 watt PEP, verbal wide open. Worldwide, 2100. Now we'll look at the verbal halfway down. Worldwide, 1600. Verbal all the way down. Worldwide, level 11. Turn verbal back wide open. Verbal wide open, 2500, 2x12. It's a used box. It's just a repair. Worldwide. I'm running out of power on this lug. Worldwide. 2250, worldwide. Get on down, worldwide. 2x12. There she is. You think she's all repaired. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Gotta get back to work. Catch you later, you know who it is. Girlfriend 10, 018 Beaters. Catch you later, bye.